And with that, dear ones, we invite you now to close your eyes and to breathe deeply. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light pulsating. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to fill the entire room that you're in. Imagine that all your angels and guides, ascended masters, galactic families, Theologians, angels, all of your wonderful guides and family of light surround you, sending you love. And as you feel this warm feeling of love within your heart, in your mind, imagine that you are walking through the bubble or sphere of illusion. And as you are walking through it, imagine that you are reaching the edge of this sphere of the illusion, of the simulation. And now, focus all of your attention to your heart and feel pure divine love. 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 You turn around one last time and you see all the people in this illusion. And you can see their true self, their true God self. All of them. All of them being sons and daughters of God. And they all smile. And they are filled with light. And then you turn around again and you look at the edge. It is like a wall that is very thin now. And with you are all of the beings of light that have walked with you on this journey. And they will walk with you through this very thin wall that has no feeling at all. There's no substance to this wall. You can simply walk through. And as you walk through into the kingdom of God, into heaven on earth, the new earth, you can feel such a lightness and joy and exhilaration, happiness. And you look around, you are now in heaven on earth. You are now in the new earth. Look around. How does it feel? What does it look like? What does it sound like? You walk towards the place that you live in. You get a feel for who is with you and what it is that you're doing. Something that brings you so much joy, beauty, well-being, abundance, creativity, oneness. It is as if there's a celebration all the time. And you look around and there are so many wonderful people there. Beautiful animals, nature, everything is pristine. Feel what it feels like to be in this reality, your true reality. Make this feeling stronger, intensify it even more. Feel it in every cell of your body. Breathe it in. You have arrived. You made it. Take it all in. Every detail. Everything seems to be glowing with light and vibrancy, health and well-being. You feel free. You are free. Completely free. And you can feel God within you in every cell of your being. There's no difference anymore. There's nothing between you and God's source anymore. You are one, and it feels marvelous. Feel it everywhere in your body and in your aura. The overflowing love and joy, joy, deep joy and harmony. Breathe it in, beloveds. When you feel complete, dear ones, try to bring this reality all the way into your heart. And keep it there. It will remind you as you go through your experiences now. It will be your inner compass, your guide. Keep it there. When you feel complete, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and head. Welcome back, dear ones.